Okay, so I'm Mike, I'm from Hereford. I've recently won the Grass People and Allett Mowers competition, won myself for Liberty 43. So I work night shifts, and the first time I found out about it was when I woke up halfway through the day, and I had loads of messages off people that I'd never even heard of saying well done, and it took a few minutes for the penny to drop, and then I found out that I'd won the competition. I was amazed because I've never won a competition before, especially one like this. So I've only just recently got into lawn care during lockdown, and there's not a lot else to do, and thought I'd improve the lawn a little bit. So after looking through Instagram and seeing different people's pages and how awesome their lawns looked, I thought mine could do with a bit of work. So I've just started killing off the third patch on my lawn. I bought a Balmoral 14S off eBay in hopes to get some better stripes onto the lawn, and it's a slippery slope from there, getting addicted to grass care. So the next section, I've just burnt that bit of grass off, so we're going to dig that up, level it off and put some more seed down, hopefully get that in before winter sets in, and then it's just a tiny little bit over there then, and that's the seed and the grass done until April next year when it starts all over again. Yeah, try my best to enter the stripes competition, but yeah, the competition out there is pretty high, so a few years on practice on this one yet. Yeah, I'm going to look at possibly getting the scarifying attachment, because that seems to do a decent job, especially on your renovations. So look at the scarifying attachment, and again, slippery slope, so I'll probably end up with all of them on the wall in the garage at some point. So thanks to the Grass People as well, I've got a 10 kilo bag of clay mix. Being a new build, really heavy clay soil which struggles with water retention, gets really boggy. So hopefully in the spring, look to use that and thicken out the grass nicely with it, and hopefully it will survive the two dogs running on it as well.